Hello and welcome to How to Helen. This is my Filipino neighbor Ralph, and he's giving me some Filipino delicacies or desserts. And if you haven't seen it, here's a few food that he has made before. It's Buko Pandan with Biko, Sapin Sapin, Maha Blanca, and cassava cake. And today what we're getting is
Getting Buko Pandan Biko with Yema topping and Kaong.
nice. So you'll see it in a bit, but this is my neighbor Ralph. He's 100% Filipino. See you in a bit.
1 hour later.
Finally, we are home so we can critique Ralph's cooking. And one agreement I have with him is I'm always going to be honest with how it tastes like. So if it's good or bad, I will let him know. If it's bad, he can make improvements. And if it's good, then great. So let's start with the physical appearance. Now, if you ask a Filipino if this looks like a Filipino food, they wouldn't recognize what dessert this is. It looks familiar, but it doesn't resemble any traditional or typical Filipino food. However, I don't know if it shows good on camera, but it is very colorful and the colors are very sharp and striking. And if you look at it closely, you can actually resemble each individual Filipino ingredients on it. Buko Pandan Biko, Yema, and on top is Kaong or Kaong. Regardless, I've never seen anyone stack all these Filipino ingredients all in one food. So it is very intriguing for me. So you know what? Let's stop talking about it and let's try it. I am very curious on how this would taste like. So let's do a small cut on the side. Start with a small one because we have to save some for Helen. Cheers. Oh my goodness, it's so great. You can actually taste each individual ingredient on it and they are not overpowering each other. It's like it's complementing. So when you bite on it, you taste the yema, then you bite in it a little more, then you can taste the buko pandan and slight or hint of kaang on top. This is very good. Ralph, you did a good job with this one. This is by far is one of your greatest creation, and it captures every essence of Filipino dessert or delicacy. So literally, it is a combination of the buko pandan dessert and yema with kaong, and I haven't tried the cherry, but it's like they're all in one dessert, which is very good. If you blindfolded me and you made me guess what food this is, I'm gonna say you were cheating and tell you that you combined all the Filipino desserts in one food. That's how good it is. So, 2 thumbs up for this creation or dessert. And I would like to thank Ralph again for giving me the first food review for this channel. This food is a huge success. I like it a lot, so I'm just gonna close the video here so I can eat more of your dessert off camera. And that is our first homemade food review for this channel, courtesy of Ralph. And Ralph, please make more of your Filipino food and delicacies. And maybe in the future, we can make a video on how you make them so other people can know how to make them as well. So once again, this is a Buko Pandan with Biko and Yema topping and Kaong. Another 2 thumbs up for me. So this has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.